and hopefully it works. You ready?
Yep.
Hey guys, we're back. Working on the same Forester. A couple guys asked after we made the video on the driver's seat how to take the passenger seat apart. So I'll show you guys how to take it apart. This is a 2015. Yeah, no, this is a 16 Forester. It's the base model. So there's no power on the passenger side. I think even like the premium models don't have power on the passenger side. 14 to 18, they're all the same. 4 bolts will hold the seat. They're 14. I usually take the front ones off first, go to the back, or vice versa. I don't think it matters. The front seat we did for the driver's side, we pulled the front bolts off first. So this time we're going to pull the rear bolts out, and so you get both sides. So it's whatever preference you want. Just make sure you roll the seat forward, and then they got these little covers in the seats. You yank these guys out. They come up pretty easy. They're just held on by that thing. This one's a little bit harder to pull off. This little clip like doesn't want to let go sometimes. 14, it's right here. Oh. Okay. The carpet's got some spots so you won't lose it 100%. This one right here. Now we'll go to the front. Roll the seat back. You can get to these front 14s. There's one up here. And there's one right here. So those two out. The easiest position to have the seat to pull it out would probably be have this thing sitting all the way back, which I already have. So these things will come out this way so the back don't, gash the dashboard. There's one wire we gotta take out. Here it is. Yeah, this guy, I'm assuming this is the seat occupancy sensor, and then this would be the airbag. Sits over here. This I pull out to the front because there's no steering wheel. It's a lot easier. Just if you grab on this, and it will slide out like this. If you have the seat all the way back, it's easier. If the seat's falling forward, then these guys stick out here, and when you come around to pull out of the dashboard, you'll nick the dashboard. I would say we vacuum the bottom of the seat before we put this back in, but again, the vacuum is on the other side of the shop, and too lazy to go get it. So now I'm gonna put it back in so you guys can see the full in and out.